you get tired, I can continue.
Okay, anybody else want to cut?
Again. That's my tree.
What?
Hang on. Here, I'll
Alright,
help
let
him.
Rindy in here again.
Whose tree is that?
Mine, so it'll fit in my car.
I'm gonna go through all this stuff. Hey, where's the?
What'd you do? Get a couple of cactus in it?
Just had a piece of wood stuck through my glove right there. Okay.
Got some. Do you want me to help her, Dad?
Which way is it going? Sorry, Amy.
No, you're okay.
Figured you could get my better side.